Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Left to Discover. I hope you all are doing fine. So today me and Jay are on a topic why we have to switch from an iOS device to why we have to switch from Android device to an iOS device. क्यों हमें iPhone लेना चाहिए दोस्तों और हमें Android नहीं यूज करना चाहिए. तो शुरू करते हैं. चलो पहला पॉइंट जय बोलेगा.
So हमें ऐसा करना था कि like as a individual मैं कैमरा काफी यूज करता था and beside that जो यूजिबिलिटी का ऑप्शन आता था, feasibility का ऑप्शन आता था, feasibility in terms of usage, being it faster, be it smooth, so it's basic overall experience चाहिए था. So I was using a Realme U1 and I switched to iPhone, not the 11 Pro Max, but I switched to 8. It was fitting in my budget. So I switched to iPhone or from past around a month मैंने जो चीजें देखी it's really good. It's been really faster, really smooth experience. The overall if you switch to Android to iPhone, so from Android to iPhone, you'll be able to make out the difference. It's so smooth and ये वही वाली बात है कि you have to go through it to experience it.
Exactly.
So, but the chipset used, even though it has a really less amount of RAM, 2 GB, but it's really equivalent to 6 or 5 GB of any RAM in any other flagship phone. So it's really good.
So what I feel is the Apple products are better in hardware. उनका hardware और software काफी integration उनका काफी अच्छा होता है. Like we have seen mostly the iPhone devices जितने भी iPhone बनते हैं, they have a like proper metal body. Like this one, they have a proper metal body, and the software which is being used are also very fast. तो हमें ऐसा कोई lag देखने को नहीं मिलता है. Rather than iPhone, I mean rather than using a Android device में. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि क्या कहते हैं iPhone में कोई खामियां नहीं है. What I feel कि iPhone performance wise तो काफी अच्छा है, lag वैग नहीं होता है, but the thing is उसका battery backup is not that much great. If you are a heavy user, then you have to charge it twice or thrice in a day. I guess tomorrow iOS 14 is being released.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a very, very, very awaited update for all the iPhone users. So we are we are looking forward to it. There are a few more features.
We're gonna make a brief video about it. Yeah, we're gonna make a brief video about it as well. iOS 11,
exactly.
iOS 14.
So और कुछ चीजें हैं एप्पल में, जैसे कैमरा काफी अच्छा है, इसमें स्लो मोशन काफी अच्छा आता है. और एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है गाइस जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, जैसा है कि इफ यू आर एन एंड्रॉइड यूजर, अगर आप एंड्रॉइड यूज कर रहे हो, सो इफ यू पोस्ट इन इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज और व्हाट्सएप स्टोरीज, उसमें जो स्टोरी क्वालिटीज और पिक्चर्स क्वालिटीज हैं काफी गिर जाती है.
एक साल में कितने 1000 फोन्स आते होंगे.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. सो
एंड एप्पल रफली अराउंड 3 to 4 phones, max to max 5.
Exactly. और iOS तो एक ही है ना, और एंड्रॉइड में कितने
iOS
सारे फोन्स हैं.
एंड्रॉइड में इस सबके लिए फॉर ईच एंड एवरी फोन आइडियली जो इंस्टाग्राम में नहीं, even WhatsApp have to create a different firmware and update for every other phone.
Exactly.
So इसमें at the end of the day you're not able to reach that quality that you want. Like if you have an HD camera in your phone, but you want the HD quality to be in the stories or maybe in the videos which you post on Instagram. It's not,
but that's
it's not there.
Very true.
Because क्योंकि सबके लिए अलग-अलग, they have to make a different software and bloatware. But however, for iPhone releasing around maximum 5 phones in a year, they have a simple and integrated software which they have to only create for 5 phones. Like take an example of Instagram, they have to only create 5 softwares for every other 5 iPhones. So इनके जो video quality है, if you like compare, people say कि इसके पास iPhone है, even iPhone 7 or even iPhone 6s, और मेरे पास S20 है, supposedly for an example, the video quality would be better. I'm not telling you about the camera, but I'm telling you about the video quality. It would be far more better than S20 in iPhone, you know. So that's a small things which actually make a difference for if you are really into social media or really like looking forward to make a career in social media, or maybe if you want to promote something good and you want the raw and everything feel to be posted over there, so it's gonna make a difference over there.
एंड उसका जो आई मीन जो एप्पल और iOS का जो इंटरफेस है और जो यूजर एक्सपीरियंस है टोटली टॉप नॉच है. लाइक आप लोगों को काफी अच्छा लगेगा इफ यू आर यूजिंग एन आईफोन. एंड यू नो दिस Apple have thought of every small aspects of every user interface जहाँ पे new और एक क्या unique experience दिया जा सकता है users को. So for example, if you're touching any picture, it gives you a small vibration. उसका haptic feedback काफी अच्छा है.
Haptic feedback, yeah.
काफी अच्छा है. एंड सबसे मेन जो इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है टू ओन एप्पल प्रोडक्ट, आई मीन एन आईफोन, इज दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट इट विद एनी ऑफ द एप्पल डिवाइसेस, बीइंग इट iMac, being it earpod, your Apple Watch, Mac, your anything. So if you're owning an Android phone and you have an Apple device at your home, for example laptop or iWatch, so it's being very difficult to connect with all those devices rather than owning everything from the Apple company. So which helps a lot and creates a unique user experience to everyone. And another thing I want to share is like if you are owning you are owning an iPhone, so you can send money from iMessage only to another person who is using iPhone, more secure rather than using Paytm and all. And एक और चीज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एप्पल में जैसे iCloud है, you are clicking pictures and it's being stored in iCloud. तो वो iCloud अब अपने फैमिली के साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हो. जैसे एंड्रॉइड में वो खुद के पास ही रह जाता है, you can't share it to another devices, but if you're owning an iPhone and doing uploading and storing pictures in iCloud, you can share all the pictures and videos to the different Apple devices, which I feel it's a very nice thing rather than using Bluetooth or USB to sending pictures here and there. And quality भी खराब नहीं होती. अभी नया iPhone आने वाला है, iPhone 12
hopefully in
अक्टूबर में आने वाला है. लेट्स सी उसमें क्या क्या फीचर्स होंगे या नहीं होंगे. मैं ये बोल रहा था कि एप्पल में आपका गेमिंग एक्सपीरियंस भी काफी अच्छा हो जाता है, बी इट अ स्मॉल स्क्रीन ऑल्सो. But if you're using iPhone 7, 8, 6, okay, so the screen size is comparatively less than iPhone XS or X or 11 or 11 Pro. So utne small screen mein bhi you don't feel any kind of difficulty or something, because the interface and the user experience is totally top notch. आप PUBG पूरे HD में, Ultra HD में चला सकते हो in iPhone 8 or iPhone 7, giving you the best quality which can be offered. What do you say?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna throw some light on what Devanshu said. So Devanshu ने mention किया था इसके जो अलग-अलग devices आते हैं, supposedly in AirPods Pro, iWatch, other Mac devices, systems and all. So one thing which Apple does is creates this ecosystem, which is really good, as the ease of usability. That's what आज के टाइम में किसी के पास, आज के समय पे किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आप खोलो मोबाइल इतना 1-2 मिनट, मतलब सपोज आप कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो आप 3-4 मिनट भी अगर ईयरफोन को कनेक्ट करने में लगा देते हो तो मतलब वो कहीं ना कहीं आपका एक गाना सुनना वेस्ट हो गया, अगर आप उस पिक्चर से सोचो. सो द ईज ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी व्हिच एयरपॉड्स एंड all the Apple devices have, it's really good. अगर आपको एयर ड्रॉप भी करना है एक फोन से दूसरे फोन में, so it's so easy to do it. Yeah, and
I've been owning an Apple product from last 3 years, so मेरे को आज तक कभी problem नहीं आया using an iPhone 7 or something. It's been very nice. The touch feedback, the ID touch feedback is very nice.
Child, you go to a amusement park, but आप खेलने मिलने जाते हो just to experience that. So you have to own this product to experience it, and Absolutely. It's been so far so good. Let's see. Future में इसको upgrade करना है. Hopefully एक बार थोड़े set on फिर iPhone 12. Hopefully it's gonna launch soon in October during the Apple event. कल 22nd of June there's gonna be a worldwide developer conference for the launch of iOS 14,
also known as iPhone OS.
Yeah. So let's see what all are the updates and how are we, like hopefully 7 and 8 are gonna get the updates. We're gonna get the updates in the phones
all
soon,
the
and we're gonna
devices,
make a
so
video
just
about
to,
it as well.
just to make clear, all the devices which are running on iOS 13 will get an update or of iOS 14, so you guys don't need to
Yeah.
worry.
So that was a brief video why we switched to iPhone over Android. I hope you liked it, and we're gonna wrap it soon, and we're gonna make another video.
Exactly.
Okay.
And
See
stay
you.
tuned, guys. Thank you for seeing.